Hey folks, hey, this is Wes again. This is Wesley $1 Virgin here. So the question is this: can meditation make you wealthy faster? I want to explain why meditation is so powerful, okay? Is that okay? And actually, I'm gonna do a live demonstration. I'm not gonna meditate here, but I'm gonna set you up for success. So this is what I want you to do, okay? If you're gonna watch the video, you might as well do exactly what I'm going to do to emulate the behavior here. First step is this: find you a quiet place, okay? That's important. Find you a quiet place. I'm gonna show you something here. And to answer the question, absolutely. It can make you wealthy. It can make you rich. It can make you abundant. You can get whatever you want. And I'm gonna demonstrate this, okay? So follow me. Find you a quiet place. As a matter of fact, do it right now. Turn off the TV. Turn off the radio, okay? Turn down your phone, okay? This is what I do. And what I do personally here, I meditate right here. You see that bedroom? See my bed? This is my bed. This is the king's bed. I'm the king. This is the king's bed here, okay? Because very important, step number 2 is you have to be in a very tranquil environment, okay? Very peaceful environment, okay? And let me give you some history about meditation. The word meditation means to get familiar with self. Comment those words below. To get familiar with self, which means is to get familiar with your thoughts. That's it. Okay? We all have over 6,000 thoughts a day, right? Some of you guys right now say, Wesley, why don't you have a proper camera? Some of you guys thinking about, Wesley, why do you look like a highlighter right now? Oh my God, right? Some of you thinking right now, Wesley, get to the point. Some of you are watching me at the same time taking care of your children. Some of you are watching me and you're hoping that this video is going to provide a breakthrough so you can make your first million. The point is this, that your brain and your mind, okay, throughout your day has thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of thoughts every single day. But the key to rich people and wealthy people, we have learned how to organize our thoughts. Comment the word that you must organize your thoughts so you will be able to produce an organized result, okay? Okay, so here we go. First step, what I do personally, well, I just sit here in my bed. Look, I'm laying in my bed here. I sit up, my back is against there, okay? And what I start to do, first step is you want to take a deep breath, okay? Give me a second. You want to take a deep breath. Now, make sure when you're exhaling, you do it slow, okay? Are you paying attention? I'm gonna slap the, listen, pay attention, okay? When you take a deep breath and you exhale slow. Do it right now. I want everybody right now to do it with me, please. Come on. How do you feel? Feel good? Feel powerful? Feel rich? All right. Now, why that's important? Why did I ask you, how do you feel? Comment below, how did you feel? You must say, I felt like peaceful. I felt happy. I felt just good for no reason. Now, why is that important? Well, to attract wealth and abundance, it's important that you feel a certain way. Does that make sense? Right? Now, a lot of you are coming below, say, relax. You feel awesome. You feel great. You feel abundant, right? Peaceful. And that's the exact feeling how you will feel when you're making $1 million. I mean, honestly, like when you're getting everything that you want, when things start to take place in your life that are desirable, you're gonna feel just like that. Does that make sense? Are you getting me now? Okay? Somebody said I felt strong. Somebody said I felt confident. And all we did was take a deep breath. We didn't read another book. We didn't buy another course. We didn't go to another seminar. Right? No, we didn't. We didn't watch another Lamborghini video of a guy that has a Lamborghini that's selling a course like Wesley Virgin. We didn't do that. All we did was we took a deep breath and we exhaled slow, which caused our entire body to relax, feel peace, feel abundant, feel great, and feel confident. Does that make sense? Now, imagine doing that over and over again. Because once you do that, and you're going to take 5 deep breaths, okay? 5, and exhale 5 times. Because what that does, it puts you in what is called an alpha state. Come in alpha state below. Now, this is in my course, but I want to give you some value before you buy it if you choose to. Now, listen. When you take a deep breath, it puts your mind and body into alpha state. The alpha state is the creative part of the mind. It gives you the opportunity to see, to hear, to experience certain things that other people would never see. Okay? Am I making sense here? Who's taking notes? You know what? Dumb people, they're not taking notes because they never take notes. Smart, intelligent people, they're taking notes and they're listening to this video right now. Okay? So, in the beginning, if you're a brand new meditator, you can do that for 5 minutes in the morning. This is how I started when I was sleeping on the air mattress. True story. Okay? I didn't have any fancy furniture and fancy TVs and fancy things in my place. Okay? But every morning I would take a deep breath. I would do it 5 times and I would close my eyes. And this is what I started to do. Listen, I wasn't visualizing yet. Okay? I wasn't trying to picture what I wanted my life to be. Why? Because when I started to close my eyes, smash the like button if this is you, I start to think about all the negative shit that took place in my life years ago. When I would close my eyes, I can only imagine all the negative thoughts, all the low self-esteem, the lack of confidence. That's the only thing I would picture. I would picture everything that was going wrong in my life, the bills, the credit scores. I got evicted, got kicked out the army. I had a felony. See, I started to think about that immediately. Smash the like button if that was you. Okay? And this is for people that have a lot of negative thoughts. This is how you rid your mind of negativity, and you'll start to reframe that negativity to something that is conducive to your success. Now listen, I'm gonna let you go. The more I did that, when I began just to take a deep breath, and I would sit there for 5 minutes, to keep my mind from wandering, okay? Thinking about how screwed up my life was, thinking about how my dad used to be so mean to me. When I stopped thinking about how screwed up my life was, how broke I was, how nothing was ever working, I would use my conscious mind and I would focus on the breathing. This is important, young people. Comment these words below. Focus on the breathing when you're a new meditator, okay? Oprah does this, Ellen DeGeneres does this, Will Smith does this. They all do. All these, Madonna does this. Focus on the breathing when negative thoughts and emotions start to rise, okay? And listen, the only reason why I'm manifesting everything that I want for my life is because I'm repeatedly going through the process, which means this every morning, 2 times to 3 times a day, I'm going through this process. And the more I go through this process, I'm teaching my brain how to focus, okay? I got wealthy not doing a bunch of stuff. I got wealthy by focusing on one thing. But you can't focus on one thing if you have negative thoughts and all these other things that are trying to persuade you and convince you to do that. Then you become easily distracted. But if you just get up in your bed, listen, you can get up in your air mattress, You can get on your toilet, in your best little rocking chair, the kitchen table, hell, in the back of your garage, wherever you need to go to find a quiet place. You spend 5 minutes, you take 5 deep breaths, okay? And for the next 4 minutes, all you do is just focus your mind on the breathing. And what that begins to do is it will organize the way that you think, okay? Your mind is cluttered, and a cluttered mind equals a cluttered life. Your mind is problematic, and a problematic mind equals a problematic life. Am I making sense? Go ahead and comment the word amen below. It's powerful, right? This is exactly what I talk about in the Genie Script course below. You don't need the course. Watch the video again. To answer the question, can meditation make you wealthy faster? Yes. Because whatever your intention is, whatever you want, the more that you meditate, you will start to organize the things that you want, and you will start to eliminate the things that you don't want. I love you. Smash the like button here. Share the video as well. Let me think what else you can do for me. If you want the course on how to meditate, to go deeper, educate yourself. You know, it's so funny to me. You know, some of you spend thousands of dollars on degrees, thousands of dollars on semesters. You know, you go to school, you spend $5,000-$10,000 per year per semester, getting nothing but a sheet of paper at the end of 4 years. But my course, $47, and it would change your entire life. But you would rather, right, go to college, spend thousands of dollars on a major that you would never utilize. You'll rather waste your time and waste your money. But hey, listen, it's just my philosophy. I can't promise you wealth. I can't promise you that you would change the person that you are today. But knowledge is the precursor to experience here. And I didn't go to college. I went to college for 2 years and I dropped out. Okay? The only fascinating thing I did in my life is make millions of dollars. And if that's what you want, the course is below. If not, listen, if that's not what you want, if you don't desire that, just keep doing what you're doing. And I promise you, if you continue to do what you're currently doing, you will have the exact same life next year. You don't believe me? Keep watching. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's